I appreciate you tuning in. And thank you very much to my most recent and longtime subscribers. I hope everybody's been enjoying the Idaho content. But we're about to shift gears as the weather's cooling down here in East Central Florida. It's late October and we're heading up to the Moto Farm. That means it's time to This is only my 5th year doing the motocross stuff. Jumping was a discipline I wasn't exposed to growing up. I sure am having a lot of fun though, and appreciate this opportunity to ride with my broskies. So much so that 2 weeks ago, I sold my 2012 EXC 500 and added a dedicated motocross machine, a full factory KTM 450, but more on that in next week's video. This week, we're gonna focus on the opening day.
Thanks, Jamie. First moto on the new machine. Got it. Finally. Took 3 laps, Mike. Figure that shit out. Now I'm feeling smooth.
On me.
Ouch. Yeah, that was not fun. not the kill switch. Wow.
I'm pretty comfortable.
Well, it's not my bike yet.
International Groomers Union here representing East Central Florida, laying out that sweet groom. Got that groom train going. Look how he leans into it. That's a sign of a true professional. He's dedicated to his craft.